sit down for my camera guy over there. Okay. So, all right, are you ready for the next magic trick? Yeah. Okay. Next magic trick is this. Now you know he can take, we call this the ass pass. He passes behind his ass and now you have your problem. So this is what you do. When he passes, you're going to just maintain your grip on his wrist. Right? Do like this. I'll do it like this. Can everyone see him? When he passes behind, you're going to grab both arms here. Right? And then you're just going to look. When he switches, you take that one. That's the first easy one. I know it's not much, but it's the best one we have. You have control of the arm. He passes and you just follow his wrist control. You grab the other wrist and you wait. Sometimes if the guy's smart, he'll go. Then you have to guess. He may go this, the blade go this way. So you can do that. You can do a little bit of hips and you fake. The women, you can do this. You fake your hips and then they go, fuck. So if he does it right, when he passes, and I go, fuck, now you continue the drill that you did before, defending. If you do it right, you will get the same hand side that you're going for. And control, same thing. So in this part, one side is learning how to fight with this blade, the other one is learning to defend. Just that, and I'll show you the next one of how you actually fight your control from here. And it's not that kind of fight. Shame on you. It's not prison, it's not that one. What's that? It's not that one. It's from here, how do you control? So from here, when he pulls the blade in, you just follow it behind his ass and you grab both wrists and you wait for him to switch. And you go back up. If you do a wrong choice and you're here, guess what? He feeds it, control, arm, then you're back up. Okay? Just to reiterate, I know I'm making a lot of fun about what we're doing. There's a reason why I'm doing it. Because when you're talking about knife fighting and knife disarms, it's a very touchy topic. It's very touchy because you're literally working on how to execute something or how to stop someone's life. So if you have that mentality all the time, it's not good for you. It's too much negativity. And not a lot of people can handle it. It's like, how do you end someone's life with a knife? It's not sports, it's self-defense or that extreme part of self-defense. So the reason why I'm making fun is because you learn more when you fight. You have a more, the chances for injury is less when you both have a fight and you feel comfortable or you feel relaxed. That's why I'm doing it. Because if I do it the old school, like that, it's going to be too much and you don't have creativity and you're not relaxing enough with your body. So I have better success by doing it this way. So it's just to create a more positive environment for your training, but we just all have to know that the stuff you're doing, it's self-defense. But it's not healthy to think that way. Now, he goes from here and he pulls the blade behind his ass. Right? So now when you're here, this is how you control. If you hold here, he's going to run away from you. So what? Yeah, exactly. So what you do is the moment he gets the wrist here, you're going to grab, good grip. When you grip, don't grip like this with your all hands. Do it like jiu-jitsu. You use your thumb and your fuck finger here. And you grab here. And then you grab the rest of the hand here. So you grab like this. It's okay if you have your dobok or you have your gi or your kimono. But the moment you're sweating, it goes off. If you use like the grapplers you use here, you have a better control of the wrist. Better than this. Because this is too much meat. And this guy's not black. So you want to hold it like this. And the rest of the thumb. When you get control here, you want to put your forehead on his neck or his back like this. And your control, let's say he doesn't want to switch and he's just like resisting you. From here, you make sure you pull this up, you have your knee to this tailbone, just here. That's why it's important that you pull the blade up, there. When you do this, people don't stand like this. They crank their hips forward, they go forward, there. And now you can trigger to get the control again. So when I go here, and I knee hard enough and his tailbone, he goes out, boom. Now you can switch back to the knee. So if he doesn't want to give you the position, you have to tell him he goes up, then you pull out the blade and you have your control on it. Is it too fast? You have control of the wrist. He does not want to change side, So when you're doing this, your mentality has to change. I don't want him to decide when he changes side. I want him to change when I say he changes. So he doesn't want to change. Pull up the blade behind his hips. Keep your head between the shoulder blades here. Then knee. Usually he's hit for before. Then you change the side that has the blade, and now you're back to your 2-in-1 outside. Okay? Or did I just pull out the dump out of my ass? Get it? Okay, go.